The puzzle of personal growth is something we all face. Life often feels like a giant puzzle, with pieces that don't always seem to fit together. We try to make sense of our choices, our actions, and the reasons behind them, searching for that missing piece that will help us grow and move forward. Have you ever wondered why you keep making the same mistakes, even when you know better? It's a question that haunts many of us. Despite our best intentions, we sometimes find ourselves stuck in a loop, repeating actions we promised ourselves we'd avoid. Maybe you find yourself choosing the wrong friends, falling into old habits, or reacting in ways you regret. These patterns can show up in relationships, at work, or even in the way we treat ourselves. It's as if we're drawn back to familiar territory, even when it doesn't serve us. You tell yourself, next time, I'll do better, but when next time comes, you do the same thing. The cycle repeats, and you wonder if real change is even possible. You might even make plans or set goals, only to watch yourself slip back into old routines. It can make you feel stuck or frustrated, like you are spinning your wheels. The harder you try, the more it feels like you're trapped in place, unable to break free from the habits that hold you back. You are not alone in this struggle. Millions of people experience it every day. No matter your background or experiences, this is a universal challenge. Everyone has moments where they feel powerless to change, even when they desperately want to. The truth is, our minds are programmed in ways we don't always understand. Most of these programs run quietly in the background, shaping how we act and react. Our brains are wired to seek comfort in the familiar, even if the familiar isn't good for us. They can make us repeat patterns, even when we want to change. These automatic responses are like well-worn paths in our minds, making it easier to follow the same route, even when we know there's a better way. The good news is that this isn't a sign of weakness or failure. It's simply how the human mind works. Recognizing this is the first step toward compassion for yourself and others. You're not broken, you're human. Once you understand what's happening, you can start to make real, lasting changes. Awareness gives you the power to pause, reflect, and choose a new path. With patience and practice, you can rewire your mind and create healthier habits. You can move forward and grow, instead of spinning in circles. Every small step you take builds momentum, helping you break free from old cycles and move toward the life you truly want. So, let's unlock the secrets of your mind. Let's discover why you repeat certain patterns, and how you can break free. Together we'll explore the reasons behind your actions and find practical ways to create real change, so you can finally move forward with confidence and hope. Imagine an iceberg floating in the ocean. The part you see above the water is small compared to what lies beneath. That visible tip represents your conscious mind. This is where your active thoughts, willpower, and short-term memory live. You use it when you make decisions, solve problems, or learn something new. But below the surface, the iceberg is massive. This hidden part is your subconscious mind. It stores your beliefs, memories, habits, and emotions. It controls most of what you do, even when you're not aware of it. This is why you sometimes act without thinking or feel things you can't explain. The conscious mind is like the captain of a ship, steering and giving directions. The subconscious mind is the engine room, powering the ship quietly but powerfully. If the engine is set in a certain way, the ship keeps moving in that direction, no matter how hard the captain tries to turn. Real change happens not just at the surface, but deep in the engine room, your subconscious. That's where your true power lies. Think about how you tie your shoes or drive a car. At one point, these things felt hard. You had to think about every step. But after a while, you did them without thinking. That's your subconscious mind at work. It stores skills and habits so your conscious mind can focus on new things. Automatic behaviors are everywhere. You brush your teeth the same way every morning. You might take the same route to work, even if you meant to go somewhere else. These routines save mental energy, but they can also keep you stuck in old patterns. Sometimes your subconscious even protects you. If you touch something hot, you pull your hand back before you even realize it. This fast, automatic reaction keeps you safe. But not all automatic programs are helpful. Some, like biting your nails or reaching for junk food when stressed, can hold you back. Understanding how these automatic behaviors work is the first step to changing them. With awareness, you can decide which habits to keep and which to change. Most of our beliefs and habits are formed when we are young, often before we even realize what's happening. Childhood is like a workshop where the foundation of our thinking and behavior is quietly built, brick by brick. As children, we absorb everything around us, every word, every gesture, every reaction. Our minds are open, curious, and eager to learn from the world. The words our parents say, the rules at school, and the lessons from teachers and elders all leave a mark. The way people treat us, whether with kindness, criticism, or indifference, shapes our sense of self and our expectations from others. Our brains are like sponges soaking up lessons, even when we don't realize it. Every experience, big or small, becomes a building block in our inner world. If you were told you were smart or capable, you might grow up believing you can learn anything and overcome challenges. But if you were teased, ignored, or made to feel less than others, you might carry the belief that you're not good enough, even into adulthood. These beliefs settle deep in the subconscious, becoming part of who we think we are. They influence our confidence, our fears, and even our dreams. They shape how we see the world and ourselves, often without our awareness. Habits, too, begin early, sometimes as simple routines, sometimes as coping mechanisms. Maybe you grew up in a family that always ate dinner together, so now you value connection and togetherness in your own life. Or maybe you saw your parents stress about money, and now you find yourself worrying about finances, even when you don't need to. These patterns stick with us, guiding our choices, shaping our routines, and influencing our relationships for years to come. But the good news is, once we understand how powerful childhood programming is, we can begin to question and reshape the beliefs and habits that no longer serve us. With awareness and intention, we can build new patterns that help us grow and thrive. Our subconscious beliefs play a huge role in daily decisions. If you believe you are shy, you might avoid speaking up in meetings. If you think you aren't athletic, you might never try sports, even if you're interested. These beliefs shape what you try, how you act, and even how you feel about yourself. Sometimes the impact is subtle. You might find yourself drawn to certain friends or jobs, not realizing your choices are guided by old beliefs. For example, someone who was always told to play it safe as a child may avoid taking risks even when opportunities appear. Another person, praised for being adventurous, might always seek new challenges. Feelings are also affected. If you're programmed to expect rejection, you might feel anxious in social settings. If you believe you can succeed, you feel more confident and relaxed. These feelings then influence what you do, creating a cycle that repeats over time. Recognizing the role of your subconscious can help you make new choices, ones that reflect who you want to become, not just who you've always been. Changing habits can feel like pushing a heavy boulder uphill. Many people start out strong, but soon slip back into old routines. This is because your subconscious mind is programmed to keep you safe and comfortable. It prefers what is familiar, even if those patterns aren't healthy or helpful. When you try to make a big change, your subconscious resists. You might forget your new goal, feel uncomfortable, or lose motivation. This isn't because you are weak or lazy. It's simply your brain trying to protect its old programming. Your mind sees change as a risk. The key is persistence. Just as habits are built over time, they are changed over time. Small, repeated actions can slowly shift your subconscious programming. It's not about willpower alone, but about creating new patterns your mind can follow automatically. Remember, it took years to build your current habits. Give yourself time and patience as you work to create new ones. There are 4 powerful ways to start changing your subconscious patterns and reprogram your mind for success and happiness. These tools are simple, but when used consistently, they can have a profound impact on your thoughts, behaviors, and ultimately, your life. Let's explore each one in detail. The first tool is repetition. When you do something over and over, your mind learns it as a new habit. Repetition is how we master skills, from learning to play an instrument to developing confidence in ourselves. The more you repeat an action or a thought, the more deeply it becomes wired into your subconscious. Repeating positive affirmations, for example, can slowly replace old, negative beliefs that may have held you back for years. By telling yourself new, empowering messages every day, you start to shift your mindset and open up new possibilities. The second tool is visualization. Imagine yourself acting and feeling the way you want to be. Visualization is more than just daydreaming. It's a focused mental exercise that helps your brain practice success before it happens. Picture yourself confident, successful, or healthy. See yourself achieving your goals, overcoming obstacles, and living the life you desire. The clearer and more vivid your mental images, the more powerful the effect on your subconscious mind. The more clearly you see it in your mind, the more real it becomes to your subconscious. Your brain begins to believe that these positive outcomes are possible, and it starts working to make them a reality. Visualization is like a mental rehearsal for real life. Top athletes and performers use this technique to prepare for big moments, and you can use it to prepare for your own challenges and dreams. The third tool is changing your environment. Your surroundings have a huge influence on your thoughts and behaviors, often more than you realize. Surround yourself with people and things that support your new goals. Choose friends who inspire you, Decorate your space with reminders of what you want to achieve, and remove distractions or triggers that pull you back into old habits. If you want to eat healthier, fill your kitchen with good food. Make it easy to make the right choices by setting up your environment for success. If you want to be more positive, spend time with upbeat people who lift your spirits and encourage your growth. Your environment shapes your habits, often without you noticing. Small changes in your surroundings can lead to big changes in your behavior over time. The fourth tool is building daily habits. Habits are the foundation of your daily life and the building blocks of long-term change. Make small changes that you can stick to every day. Start with simple actions like making your bed, drinking a glass of water in the morning, or writing down one thing you're grateful for. These little actions add up, teaching your subconscious that change is safe and possible. Over time, these habits become part of who you are, not just what you do. Over time, new habits become automatic, and your mind starts working for you, not against you. You'll find yourself making better choices without even thinking about it. Using these 4 simple tools, repetition, visualization, environment, and habits, you can begin to rewrite your internal programming and create a life you truly want. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight, but with patience and consistency, you can transform your mind and unlock your full potential. Many people believe that motivation is the secret to changing their lives, but the truth is, motivation comes and goes. Some days you feel inspired, but most days you don't. If you wait for motivation, you'll spend a lot of time standing still. Real change is about building new patterns, not waiting for a burst of energy. Just as brushing your teeth every day keeps them healthy, repeating small actions every day changes your mind. It's not the size of the action but the consistency that matters most. Think of building a wall. You lay one brick at a time. Each small step, repeated again and again, becomes something strong and lasting. Over time, your subconscious adopts these new patterns as normal. Change becomes easier, and you no longer have to force yourself. So stop waiting for motivation. Start focusing on your daily patterns. That's how you build the life you want, brick by brick. Pause for a moment and think about your own thoughts and habits. Which ones serve you? Which ones hold you back? Recognizing these patterns is the first step to change. Remember, your subconscious mind is always listening and learning from your actions and focus. You have the power to reprogram your mind, no matter your age or background. Every positive thought, every healthy habit is a signal to your subconscious that change is possible. Over time, these signals rewrite old beliefs and open up new choices. Don't underestimate the power of small steps. Each time you repeat a positive action, visualize your goals, or change your environment, you are planting seeds for a better future. Growth happens slowly at first, but soon it becomes visible in your life. Remember, you are the author of your own story. The choices you make today shape the life you live tomorrow. Start now and unlock the amazing power of your mind.